In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to navigate and use manage.wix.com and editor.wix.com effectively to enhance your website design experience on the Wix platform. Whether you're a beginner or simply looking to refine your skills, this guide will walk you through some crucial steps to get you started and improve your site's aesthetic and functionality. First, let's head over to the setup page on Wix by going to manage.wix.com. This is your main hub for handling most of the basic administrative tasks for your site. Here, you can manage settings, track analytics, and access various features Wix has to offer. Having a clear grasp of this dashboard will streamline how you interact with your site and make managing it more efficient. Once you're familiar with the setup, let's dive into the creative side by going to the editor, which you can access via editor.wix.com. The first thing we'll do is add elements, which are the building blocks of your site's interface. By clicking on the Add button, you open a menu of elements such as text, images, shapes, and other interactive features. This is where you can get really creative and customize the look and feel of your pages. Now, let's enhance your site structure by adding some text. Click on Add Heading 1 to include a primary heading to your page. Headings are crucial as they organize content, catch the viewer's eye, and improve SEO. Once you've added the heading, you can personalize it to suit your theme and convey your message clearly. With your new heading in place, it's time to give it your personal touch by editing its text. Click on Edit Text to tailor the content with your words. This feature offers various options to change font style, size, color, and alignment, enabling you to ensure your text aligns perfectly with the rest of your site's design and branding. After fine-tuning the text, if you need to remove the text box or any other element, simply find and click the X symbol. This will delete the unwanted component and help you maintain a clean and uncluttered space for your content, which is key to a professional-looking website. Next, when you're satisfied with the changes, navigate to the text menu. Here you can apply different styles to your text elements, create hyperlinks, or add special effects that make your text stand out even more on the page. Finally, remember that saving your work frequently is vital to prevent any accidental loss. To do this, click on Save once you've made all the necessary adjustments. This ensures that all your hard work is safely stored and ready to be published or further edited if needed. By following these steps, you not only make your site more visually appealing, but also improve its functionality and user experience. Keep experimenting with different elements and styles, and soon you'll have a well-designed website that mirrors your vision and purpose perfectly.